Hi, welcome to RV DIY.
Today, we will change a Panasonic water filter.
Step 1. Get new filter ready and smile to camera.
Step 2. Twist the cover counterclockwise to remove cover. Step 3. Pull cover up.
Step 4. Remove the internal filter. Pulling it out is fine. No twistinges required.
Step 5. Take the new filter and remove the seals first.
Step 6. Fit the new filter into the head.
Step 7. Slot the new filter and
Step
head
8.
back in.
Twist and lock the head back in. Make sure it's tight.